fast heating and resume print feature, the heated bed can reach its operating temperature in just 5 minutes. Additional power cut protection function to meet the needs of fast heating and long-time printing. If electrical power is lost, prints can be resumed from the last layer, saving time and reducing waste. Semi-assembled, all the main pieces are already assembled and all you need to do is tighten 20 nuts in the right place, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. No clogging or warping. Our patented extruder design MK10 extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. There's no need for printing tape or glue due to the incorporation of a new viscous platform sticker. High precision printing and noiseless, CNC machining of Y-rail mounting groove to make sure precise positioning and keep the stable frame with high printing quality. V-slot with POM will make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable.